In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up webhooks in Shopify. If you're new to Shopify or would like to enhance your store's functionality, this guide will help you navigate through the process with ease. So, let's get started and walk through the essential steps to set up webhooks. First, you'll want to go to your Shopify store's main page, where all your management options are available. This is your control center for everything that involves your store: tracking orders, managing products, and of course, adjusting your settings. Take a moment to admire the powerful capabilities of Shopify, all at your fingertips. Once you're here, look to your left or right, depending on the layout you're using, for the Settings option. It's typically nestled among other important tabs such as Products and Orders. Give it a click. Next, what you'll want to do is find and click on the Notifications section within Settings. This is the area where you manage how and when Shopify will notify you, or any other applications you've integrated, about specific events. It's like your personal assistant, always ready to keep you informed so your store runs smoothly. As you delve into notifications, keep a keen eye out for the Webhooks tab. Webhooks might sound technical, but think of them as automatic signals that Shopify sends to other apps when certain things happen in your store, like when an order is placed or fulfilled. Click on this tab to begin setting up these signals. Now that you're in the Webhooks section, find and press the Create Webhook button. Here, you're going to tell Shopify exactly what events you want it to send notifications for, say. Shopify will reach out to the specified URL anytime one of these events occurs, ensuring other parts of your online ecosystem are always in sync with what's happening in your store. You'll need to specify the event you're interested in, such as a new order, which is a common choice for store owners. Finally, after you've selected your desired events and entered the necessary URL information to link with your other applications, make sure you don't forget the last step: clicking Save. This step solidifies all your hard work and ensures Shopify knows to activate these webhooks. Setting up webhooks can significantly streamline your e-commerce process by keeping all related systems connected and responsive. Whether it's updating inventory, processing shipping, or triggering marketing emails, webhooks are an integral part of maintaining a smooth operation in Shopify. So, there you have it. A straightforward walkthrough to set up webhooks on Shopify. With these instructions, you're one step closer to optimizing your store and expanding its capabilities. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks on managing your Shopify store efficiently.